So now I've got the frame out of the bike, the modification and customization can begin. If you're interested in seeing the process of how I got the frame stripped down, there are I think 3 previous videos that show that. I'll put a link up there or down there, wherever it goes on YouTube these days. They'll be somewhere. Goal for now is to cut the rear end off and weld in the hoop. I was a little bit nervous about making the first cuts, so I decided to ease into it and start by cutting off these helmet hangers. This would allow me to lay the seat on flat and figure out exactly where I'd need to make the real cuts. Then with the help of some cardboard aided design, I figured out exactly where I'd want the seat hoop to go, ready to make the real cuts into the frame. So I've worked out you need to cut 190mm back from the end of the frame and then cut some off this hoop as well to match. With the seat hoop cut down to size, it was time to chop the back off the frame. No going back now. Don't look at the camera, don't look at the camera, don't look at the camera. Oh, balls. With the new rear end in place and looking great, it was time to weld it in. It's been a long time since I did any welding, and I wasn't that great to begin with, so in order to get the welder set up properly, I decided to call in my close personal friend and expert welder, Jack Black.
I don't like that. So far, off to a bad start. Better, closer, warmer. And that's it.
Thanks, Jack. I've just tacked it in for now, in case I need to make any changes later, but I'm really happy with the result. It's perfectly level, fits brilliantly, and more importantly, it's strong. So I want to try and remove the lock from this plate so I don't cut into it when I'm cutting the plate off. I think I just need to pry this little bracket up. I'll take more than one screwdriver. There we go. It's a good start. And there we go. Done. I'm going to put this mostly back together because I'm actually going to try and keep some kind of locking under-seat storage using this key and parts of this bracket, so it makes sense to try and keep it all together in one place. It's not actually in properly, but it'll hold it at least so I know where everything is. So that's the frame chopped, seat hoop welded in, and new seat in position. And I do not like it at all. It just doesn't quite fit properly. I think the problem was this cheap eBay Chinese seat, so there's going to have to be some customization there, but that's a problem for the future. So that's it for this video. I'm pretty happy with my progress, except I've just discovered this, which is a nice rust hole in the bottom of the frame that I did not know existed. So at some point in the very near future, I shall have to be fixing that. But until then, thanks for watching, see you next time.